Hello guys, welcome to my channel The Prescription Advice. Today we are going to discuss about terbinafine, an antifungal class of drug. Before starting the topic, please like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. लेट्स स्टार्ट द टॉपिक। आज हम क्या क्या देखने वाले हैं। तो क्लास एंड इंडिकेशन, किस क्लास का ड्रग है, किस इंडिकेशन में हम इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं, डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द ड्रग, डोज एंड डोजेस फॉर्म, क्या डोज है, किस डोजेस फॉर्म में अवेलेबल है, मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शन, दैट हाउ इट वर्क्स, साइड इफेक्ट्स ऑफ द ड्रग interaction, that what other drugs are interacting with terbinafine, is it safe when used in pregnancy or not, expert advice, frequently asked questions about terbinafine with amorolfine and brands available in the market. बात करते हैं क्लास एंड इंडिकेशन की। किस क्लास का ये ड्रग है, किस इंडिकेशन में यूज़ किया जाता है। क्लास इज अलाइलामाइन क्लास ऑफ एंटीफंगल। प्रिस्क्राइब किया जाता है ओनिकोमाइकोसिस के लिए, दैट इज फंगल इन्फेक्शन ऑफ नेल्स, फंगल इन्फेक्शन ऑफ हेयर्स इन स्काल्प एंड फंगल इन्फेक्शन ऑफ स्किन। Description of the drug as tablets of terbinafine is used to treat the fungal infection of nails. Oral granules of terbinafine are used to treat the fungal infection of scalp and hair follicles in children who are at least 4 years old. As a cream or powder, terbinafine is used topically for superficial skin such as chalk itch, also known as tinea cruris, athlete's foot, which is also known as tinea pedis, and other type of ringworms, which is also known as tinea corporis. बात करते हैं डोज ऑफ terbinafine की इन ओनिकोमाइकोसिस फिंगर नेल्स के लिए 250 mg once in a day for 6 weeks, टॉय नेल्स के लिए 250 mg once in a day for 12 weeks, इन ऑल टाइप ऑफ टीनिया इन्फेक्शन, टीनिया क्रूरिस और टीनिया कॉर्पोरिस के लिए 250 mg once in a day for 2 to 4 weeks, टीनिया पेडिस में 250 mg once in a day for 2 to 6 weeks orally. You can also use terbinafine topically or superficially in the form of cream for tinea cruris, tinea corporis and tinea pedis. Once or twice daily application. Treatment should be continued for 1 to 2 weeks after clinical clearings. Clinical clearing means you have to clean the superficial area where you want to apply the cream. बात करते हैं मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शन की, दैट हाउ इट वर्क्स. सो इफ यू वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड द mechanism of action of all antifungal, then you have to understand the simple phenomena that the ergosterol is an essential compound of fungal cell membrane. Without ergosterol, the fungal cell is not grow and the further multiplication of fungus is stopped. You have to understand that ergosterol is formed in human body with a cycle. So here is the pictorial diagram of the ergosterol formation. You can simply find that acetyl coenzyme A is converted into squalene epoxide. Squalene epoxide is further converted into squalene with the help of a squalene epoxidase enzyme. Squalene is converted into lenosterol and lenosterol is converted into ergosterol with the help of 14-alpha demethylase enzyme. So terbinafine is an antifungal drug which inhibits the squalene epoxidase enzyme, so it won't allow squalene epoxide to convert into squalene and further conversion of squalene into lenosterol or ergosterol. So basically terbinafine is stop the synthesis of ergosterol in human body or in the fungal cell membrane. Another definition is allylamines are fungicidal, killing the fungus in nature. They inhibit enzyme squalene epoxidase. This results in squalene accumulation which leads to deposition of lipid, thereby causing disruption of cellular membrane and leading to fungicidal action. बात करते हैं साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स ऑफ terbinafine की। तो कॉमन साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स ऑफ terbinafine includes headache, skin rash, itching, nausea, diarrhea and indigestion. Some more common Side effects as abdominal or stomach pain, elevated liver function test results, gas, dizziness, temporary unusual or unpleasant taste or loss of taste in your mouth. Some serious side effects of terbinafine includes loss of appetite, fatigue, vomiting, right upper abdominal pain, yellowing of skin and eyes like jaundice, dark urine, pale stool and smell disturbances. बात करते हैं ड्रग इंटरेक्शन की. What other drugs interact with terbinafine? So terbinafine has no known severe or serious interaction with other drugs. Moderate interaction of terbinafine includes axitinib, brexpiprazole, cimetidine, codeine, dinogest or estradiol valerate, iloxadoline, linagliptin, mipomycin and tamsulosin. Is it safe when used in pregnancy? So terbinafine used during pregnancy may be acceptable. Animal studies showed minor risk and human studies were done and showed no risk. Terbinafine is excreted in breast milk, so do not use if you are breastfeeding. बात करते हैं एक्सपर्ट एडवाइस की. तो डू नॉट स्किप एनी डोजेस एंड फिनिश द फुल कोर्स ऑफ द ट्रीटमेंट इवन इफ यू फील बेटर. Terbinafine can make your skin more sensitive to sun. Use broad spectrum sunscreen and protective clothing when outdoors. Your doctor may monitor your liver function regularly during treatment. Inform your doctor if you notice yellowing of eyes or skin or dark urine or stomach pain. Some frequently asked question about terbinafine. So question is, can terbinafine be safe for use in patients with liver cirrhosis? So answer is, oral intake of terbinafine is not recommended in patients with chronic or active liver disease. Your doctor may prescribe a liver function test to check whether the liver is functioning effectively or not. This is done because the medicine gets metabolized by liver enzymes and any inefficiency in liver function can lead to increased the level of the medication in the blood, so resulting in increased side effects and toxicity. Therefore, it is important to inform your doctor if you have any liver disease or cirrhosis. Also inform your doctor about the medicines you may be taking, as taking terbinafine with other medicines can lead to liver toxicity, and terbinafine by acting on the liver enzymes can change the level of the other drugs. Your doctor may suggest periodic monitoring after 4 to 6 weeks of treatment of liver function test and make those adjustments accordingly. So question number 2, how long do I need to take terbinafine? So answer is, the usual duration of treatment for tinea pedis, tinea corporis, tinea cruris is about 2 to 4 weeks. However, the duration may sometimes be extended to 6 weeks. Usually the duration of treatment for fungal infection of nails varies from 6 to 12 weeks. For fingernail fungal infection, it may take 6 weeks, whereas toenail fungal infection may take about 12 weeks to recover. However, the exact duration of the therapy is decided by the doctor depending upon the type of infection, the site of infection, and the patient's response to the therapy. Question number 3, can I drink tea or coffee while taking terbinafine? So answer is, caffeinated drinks like tea and coffee should be taken with caution while being on treatment with terbinafine. Terbinafine decreases the rate of metabolism of caffeine by 19%, which is an important constituent of coffee, thereby increasing the level of caffeine in the blood. This increases level of caffeine may lead to side effects such as jitteriness, headache, increased heartbeat, and restlessness. So another question is, Does terbinafine cause any skin reactions? So answer is yes, sensitive individuals may develop skin reactions while using terbinafine. However, there are rare reports of people developing serious skin hypersensitivity reactions like Steven-Johnson syndrome, toxic epidermal necrolysis, and other severe skin reactions with terbinafine. Therefore, do not take this medication without consulting your physician or dermatologist. Immediately stop the medication and inform your doctor if you develop any type of skin reaction or rashes. Is terbinafine effective? So answer is terbinafine is effective as an antifungal medicine if used in the dose and duration advised by your doctor. Do not stop taking it even if you see improvement in your condition. If you stop taking these medicines too early, the fungus may continue to grow and the infection may return or worsen. Terbinafine with amorolfine. So amorolfine is administered locally or topically in the form of liquor onto infected nail once a week for 9 months in toenail onychomycosis. Terbinafine 250 mg is administered orally once a day for 3 months in toenail onychomycosis. Some brands available in the market: Lamisil from GSK, Sabifin from Ranbaxy, Ifin from Glenmark, Terbicip from Cipla, and Tiza from Abbott.